much for making some videos today. It's raining terribly. Yeah. Unfortunately for me, the area where I live at, Jesus Christ, like the sewage and the drainage pipes are really fucked up, and the streets flood horrible. So yeah, me and Trinity on our way to the store. Get her and the Rottweiler some food. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is ridiculous. So much for making some car videos today, and I really had something planned with the BMW that I wanted to make, but unless it stops raining, I don't see that happening. I think it's only around like noon right now, but still, this shit is rough, dude. Jeez. Look at that cool ass military chopper. Look at that. Hell yeah, that's dope. That's definitely not something you see every day. That's cool as shit. But anyways, I'm going to go check out this car. So it's still worn down raining. Damn, this sucks. But it is what it is. I might I don't know. I really can't do anything outdoors with the dogs because it's raining terribly. Actually, while I'm out, there is one thing I want to go check out while it's kind of in the daylight. That vlog I did about, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago. I don't know, maybe 3 days ago. This old Chevy that we found while we were out walking. I was only kind of see it in the daylight. And there it is. You wouldn't have left it out in the rain like that. If that was my car, I'd probably be kind of pissed. She is clean as hell on 4G autos. Wow, look at that. Shit. But I just want to come by and check that car out because I never seen it before. But I'm probably gonna cut this little vlog a little short. I'm just bored. I wanted to make a video. I need to get my dermal fixed too. But I can wait. Oh shit. Well, if it stops raining, I'll probably make a I'll probably make a make a video today. I might be picking up something cool for the BMW. We'll have to see. Well, actually I am, because I need it. I just don't know when. I was supposed to be selling the, well, I am selling the front bumper cover off of it, but the guy that was supposed to be buying it kind of is giving me the runaround. That's kind of being annoying, because I need the money for something else for the car, and of course myself. I'm kind of already letting it go for a steal, but I mean, when you don't need something and you're not really greedy, you give people good deals on stuff. That's just me. Everybody's different. But anyways, I'm about to cut this. I know it was like a boring rainy day video, but I don't know. I'm just looking for stuff to pass the time. You know, as usual, if you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up, share them, leave comments, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Actually, I am about to start, I'm going to edit my channel a little bit. I'm going to add some of my social media links, so you can follow me on Instagram. I'm not going to link my personal Facebook to it, just for, you know, personal reasons. I don't really have a Twitter, but I'll leave a link to my Instagram. And there is a link that I think I can share on YouTube that is on my Instagram. So if you want, you can go check that out too. But anyways, you know, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.